Hey everyone, it's What's in the Box Wednesday, and this week we have an exciting new quilt kit, which is awesome, and then some new pre-cuts as well. So this is the quilt here, Legendary Journey. And it's really cool. So we've had the dragons from these guys, we've had the dragons in the blue, the red and the green, and now we've got the Legendary Journey. So we've got the whole kit. So it excludes the wadding and backing for $260, and it makes a quilt size 78 inches by 94 inches. So that's about 2 meters by 2.4 meters. So a very large quilt. So let's have a look what you get in your pack. You get this awesome print here with your different emblems, which is very lovely. You get some scale looking thing, or is that chainmail? I think that's chainmail. It's not. It's called, I've got it right here, gold armor. There we go. Then we have the stained glass. We have the multi-vines. Look at the colors on that one, isn't it beautiful? The multicolor maps. Then you got your grey chainmail. And then we have the awesome border print. Let me open this up the right way for you. Look at that. So you've got all different pictures, all different themes going on. So all your different legendary characters. And then to top it off, you of course have a couple of panels. So let's open the panels up and you can see them in all their glory. So you've got your 6 blocks there. So have a look at those, really cool. Beautifully printed imagery that they've got going on. And it's good because they've allowed enough space to cut around them, which is great. Then the center panel. It's a large panel. And it has a whole lot going on in here as well. So you got your castle, your dragons, your wizards, nymphs, all sorts. So there we go. That is the Legendary quilt kit, Legendary Journey. I was going to say Legendary Dragons, there's not. So I've got that one, and then I've got 8 kits. I've got some panels left over and some fabrics left over as well if you wanted to do your own thing. And then I've got in this new pre-cuts. So from Maywood Studios, I've got my 10-inch squares, 5-inch, and of course my 2.5-inch strips in an awesome Christmas theme. So let's have a look here. Got your blacks, your black with your multis, your reds to your greens, and then of course to your whites and your multi-prints there as well. So very lovely pre-cuts. And then to finish it off, we have our calendar for the rest of the year. So we've got October, November, December. We've got some new classes, some repeat classes. So check those out as well. Be sure not to miss out on lots of fun we have in store. And that's all I've got for you this week. And we'll see you next week. Bye everyone.